So tell me what's wrong with your hearing.
Hi, Grant. Okay, so I work in radio, so I have to hear a lot of music.
I think we should inspect your ear to start with, and then we'll go ahead and do a hearing test. And this is the tympanic membrane. It looks very normal. The next step is we're going to have you come to the sound booth. So please come over. So I'm going to be presenting some tones to you.
Okay.
What I'd like to do is I'm going to give you this in just a moment. So when you hear the beep, I'd like you to push down on the button firmly. Okay, so what I'd like to do is I'd like to test the right ear first, and then we'll switch and do the left ear.
Okay.
It's a good thing to have people come in and at least get a baseline test and see if there is a problem. And then it sure is fun to be able to fit hearing aids to those that are having a problem. It gradually drops so many years. Gradually, we put the hearing aids on, turn them on, and then they can actually, it's just like the light switch comes on. And I'd like to start at 20 decibels. So we're moving into the higher tones. I love being able to help people hear better. Yeah, that's the big thing is too. Red is the right ear, blue is the left ear. This line right here at 20 indicates good hearing above the blue line. Family members notice that you know, mom, dad's hearing a lot better. They're not having to repeat. I think they get invited to more functions, and it's just better all the way around. As far as your hearing goes, you still are hearing really well.
That's awesome.
Yes.
I needed this so badly.
Good.
This is fantastic.
Good. All right.
Thank you, Grant.
You're very welcome.
That's awesome.
My
You're
pleasure.
the best.